Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a project share for you today. I shared a video earlier, my Memdex. This was my Memdex card for craft purges, take it back to the 80s and 90s. And I saw that my ink was running out. So I changed my ink and I created the two more index card or Memdex cards for my swap partner. So it looks like this, and I got some music notes on here. This is the completed one. I have to make my cassettes to go into my boom box, but I threw in some magazines I got off of Google Images, and I just doubled it so that I can open it up like that, you know, open it up. And what I'm going to do is add my information on the inside of these magazines. So I got the Ultimate 90s Collection. It's got all these little toys and stuff. Even got the original Game Boy, Sonic. There's the Teen Magazine, the Source. I got Word Up. And then we've got Vibe, TLC. So, and we've got these little magazines that go into the little boombox pocket that we created. And I just got it by some foam in there. Give it some separation. So it'll look something like this inside the pocket. I'm not going to glue any of it down. Look, I just realized that we got old girl right there. Clueless. We got her little teen magazine, and we got the Source. These are magazines that were really in my life. Like, you know, I should have printed up Teen Beat. I don't know how I forgot about that. Gina brought that up today in the live on my channel. She reminded me. What is that? It's not glued. Oh no. All right, I'm gonna have to attach this with some hot glue because it did not stay. So I gotta double check that. You don't want your pieces falling off again, Eileen. But this is what it looks like. And then when you remove all the magazines, you could see the background. It's got the MTV logo. You got the hairspray and the brush back there. And then you got our wall. So cool. And then just stick them back in. This will all have our info. I think this will be cute. I think it's cute. This little print here, the music notes, is off of Cricut Design Space. And that's what the back looks like. So I got those done. I got to reprint a few more of the magazines to fill into this pocket here. I also cut out some shades from the Cricut Design Space, and they look like that. I was going to add it to my Memdex cards, but I don't see it fitting. The other thing I did, I cut out more shrink plastic, and we did that on the live. We shrunk down more things. So you can see here, let me bring it up so you can put it here. All these little pieces. The ladies helped me label my cassette tapes and my VHS tapes and my floppy disks. I even put a message on here, thanks to Gina. And this CD case got a little slow mix, slow jams. And then we have this one, work comp, payroll. It's all on there. Like, so that's what they look like, all shrunk down. These are going to be going on my dangle. So as you can see here, it's only one set. I still have this other set to do. I printed out this one. So this is exactly the same thing. And I got to write all that onto these little pieces here. So thank you, ladies, for your help. Oh, here's another cassette. It's Madonna's mix. So I don't know how well you can see all that, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Not today, but on another day. So I will be shrinking this off camera. I probably won't even share it because it's just a repeat of what I did there. So there is what I worked on today. This was the original. So I'm going to call this my prototype. So I have to make this one more time so that I can get this made for Toni, because this one it didn't come out the way I wanted it. And so yeah, not good. These are just too big. They're a lot bigger than what I reprinted. And so is the magazine. So you can see the color difference here. This is what it's supposed to look like. And this is the first time I printed it out. So yeah, takes a few tries. I printed them all on photo paper. So there you go. All right, guys, thank you all for watching. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you to those ladies that join me every time we go live. I appreciate you all. If you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button and join our crafty family. While you're there, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load new videos like this or when I go live here on my channel. So thanks again, thumbs up, and I'll see you all next time.